If you haven't got the money for one of these, watch this video and I will show you a very, very cheap alternative. Hi, welcome back to St Blazey Model World. I'm Roger. This is my Peco Loco servicing cradle. That's a mouthful, isn't it? And it's a fabulous bit of kit. I think this is about the fourth one I purchased. As well made as they are, they don't last forever. Caters for 00 HO gauge and N gauge as well. And I use them for other things as well when I'm detailing model buses, various stuff like that. This particular one cost me just under £12 UK sterling money. But if you haven't got the £12 or if you're working on a budget, I'll show you a very cheap alternative. How about a Loco servicing cradle for £1? Yep, here we go. Car washing sponge, cost me next to nothing. And it's made of foam, exactly the same as the Peco version. Not quite the same quality foam, admittedly. But if you are working on a budget, what a fabulous cheap alternative. I'll show you how to convert it right now. So with a ruler and a marker pen, I've just marked out a couple of lines there. They're about the right distance apart. And you'll just have to take my word on that through experience. But what are they? There we go. I didn't actually measure those, but 20 centimetres, 2 millimetres apart, all the way down. And of course, the next thing we need to do is to cut out our little trench that we've marked out there. So now with the aid of a standing knife, I've scored along the two lines that I marked out. Just turn it sideways and hopefully with one hand I can do this. Should have used a tripod for this video, but there we go. And you can see there now that I've got that section cut away from the sponge. Pair of scissors all the way down that line, trim that piece out and remove it. And that will give me my cradle. Well, there we go. Pair of scissors, cut away our foam section that we marked out, and we've now got our Loco servicing cradle ready to go. And lastly, just to prove that this actually works, here's a 060 class 08 shunter in the cradle ready to be worked on. There we go, guys. Another short one, another money saving tip for you. Thank you for all your support. As always, we'd love to hear your comments, and please give this video a like. And if you have time, leave a comment as well. And if you think there's anything on the channel that you're going to want to know more about, please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, select all, and that way you won't miss the next video from St Blazey Model World. Bye for now.